Recently on the channel, we saw a flaxseed gel recipe to make your skin glowing and prettier than ever. Did you watch this video? Many subscribers asked us if flaxseed gel is edible. So, in today's video, we will answer this question. If you also asked about it, stay tuned. Flaxseed is the richest plant source of omega-3 and fatty acids, excellent for anti-inflammatory actions. Its benefits can be obtained from golden or brown flaxseed. It is also worth noting that its rich mucilage keeps the cells, membranes, and even the intestines hydrated. But before anything else, you need to know that the nutritional benefits of flaxseed vary by the way you consume it. Do you know why eating flaxseed gel can be good? We have already said before that flaxseed should be eaten crushed and that you should avoid consuming it as a seed or flour. Did you watch the video? As a gel, flaxseed swells and releases lignans, phytoestrogens similar to the female hormone, which are great during the premenstrual period or even during menopause. The gel can also be used to help with satiety and in cases of constipation. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends. You can also contribute to the channel through the thanks button. Don't forget to subscribe to be notified of any new videos. Did you know that flaxseed gel helps with constipation caused by medical, surgical, or radiotherapy treatments, chemotherapy, targeted therapy, hormonotherapy, etc.? These treatments have side effects that can hinder bowel movements. Making the gel is easy. In a glass container, add 5 tablespoons of flaxseed, brown or golden, and add 17 ounces of water. Leave the mixture closed in the fridge for 24 hours. It lasts around 1 week. Depending on how much water you use and the absorption capacity of your flaxseed, the gel may become too compact and solid. In this case, just add some more water. Put the gel in a blender and, if necessary, add water. Add a tablespoon of this gel to your juices, for example, green juice, or even replace eggs in recipes if you are allergic, since the texture of the gel mimics egg white. So, did you like this recipe? Try it and share your experience with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.